So hello student. So in this lecture we are going to discuss file and indexing. So basically we have to find out what basically a file is. File is basically a collection of records where each record consists of one or more fields and each contain the same sequence of fields. So a file consists of set of records and field. The field length is basically fixed. Suppose this is a file is given which consists of student information, that is student name, roll number, year and marks. So there are 4 records and there are 4 fields. Like all the rows are basically the field and all the columns are basically the records. Record can be uniquely identified with the help of roll number. So in this case, roll number is unique. So in this case, roll number is the key field. Database is a collection of basically set of files. So file organization, file are organized by these 5, basically organized by these 5 types. One is sequential file, next one relative file, third one direct files, fourth one indexed sequential file, and the fifth one is index files. So what are the primitive operation that can be performed on files? So first operation, you have to create the file, so creation of file. Next you can read some information from the file, so this is reading. Next information, you can insert some information to the file. You can delete some information from the file, you can update some values, and you can perform searching of a particular information from the files. So these are the primitive operation you can done on the file. So the basic type of file is sequential file. So it is the most common type of file. A fixed format is used for the records. So record format is always fixed. All records are of same length. In this case, you can see all the length of the record are same. Okay, so it consists of 4 records, and the position of the each field in the record and the length of the field is fixed. Basically, the length of the field are basically fixed, and the position, like name will will come in the first position, then roll number, then year, and then marks. So the position of each field also fixed in this case, and record are physically ordered. You can see roll number is physically ordered over here, so it is basically the key field. And on the value of one of the field is called ordering field. So here the field is roll number, and in the next case, which one is the field? In the next case, the ordering is done with help of again roll number. So what is the advantage of sequential file? Reading of record in order of the ordering key is extremely efficient. Finding the next record in the order of ordering key usually does not require additional block access. So searching method you can perform is basically the binary search method, and it is much faster than the linear search. So these are the advantages. Now what are the disadvantages of sequential file? Sequential file does not give you advantage when the search operation to be carried out on non-ordering field. So if the search operation is carried out on non-ordering field, then you cannot apply binary search in that case. That is why it will not give you the advantage. Inserting a record in is an expensive operation in case of sequential file, because you have to again set of record have to be pulled out from the file in the sequential order, then you have to place the record, again you have to place all the other records that you have pulled out into the file. So it is a costly operation, and deletion of record is also an expensive operation in this case, and deletion require movement of records. Modification of field value of ordering key could be time consuming because modifying the ordering field means the record can be changed its position, and this requires deletion of the old record followed by the insertion of the new record. So these are the disadvantages of sequential file. So hashing. So basically what is hashing? Hashing is a technique to directly search the desired data on disk without using index structure. So hashing basically ordering of the values, or it is in this case the values are being distributed uniformly across the range of buckets, and the value can be determined through hash function. So there are a set of bucket, and this bucket contain the records. So what do we mean by hashing? Hashing is a common technique for faster accessing the records. Record of a file are divided among buckets. Bucket is either one disk block or cluster of contiguous blocks. Hashing function map a key into bucket number. So it will be basically key will be mapped to bucket number, and it will start from 0, 1 to up to the bucket number -1. A hash function f maps each key value into one of the integers 0 to b-1. So if x is a key, then fx is the number of buckets that contain the record with key x. So in this case, the number of the bucket will be fx. The blocks making up the each bucket could either be contiguous block, or they can be chained together into a linked list. So the next topic is basically on indexing.